Now for the difficult part of, sweating. It's been raining here in Dallas and it's humid, real humid. Can't wear glasses, sorry. I know it's against the rules, but gotta see. Kind of important there, you know, being able to see it. I'm not a head judge at the Masters. This Costco's hard hat was lent to me, and I asked to return it, and they said I didn't have to. So I'm gonna prop this up somewhere so I can show you my trick. I guess one of them. Yeah, I'm having to use a trailer. Grapples broke down 2 years now. Long story. Have money, no time. Have time, no money. One of those type deals. Welcome to the tree service. Anyway, I lay my dolly down on a log, strap it with a rope, and pick it up. And then put the whole thing in the trailer, dolly and all. I'll try to show you that here in a second. And I don't know if I can prop this up or not. I don't know if I can prop it up where you can see. Where's my little trick? Probably not. Come on, man. Work with me here. I know where my dolly is. Is that it? Anyway, did you guys see it? No. I'd like to be able to edit this out, but you know, who's got the time for all that? Some people do, I'm sure, but not me. Okay, now we can see it. Hopefully. Watch it not work on this. I've already loaded two out like this, so it worked fine on those two, but this is probably not. Cart it out there. Yeah, Facebook will cut my video down if it's too long.